What is up, everybody? I just got here to Japan. It's gonna be my 7th trip here to Japan, which is actually pretty cool to know that I've been to Japan 7 times now. A lot of fun stuff planned for this trip, but first off is getting here to the airport, which I'm here at the airport. And then next thing is picking up my car. So we got a nice little journey to get to Hamamatsu, Japan, so I can pick up the R34 GT-R, which is sitting there for me, ready to go. It's prepped. We're gonna be doing a lot of track stuff this trip. This trip isn't gonna be long at all. It's gonna be about 5 days total, unlike the last one, which was like 2 weeks. This one's only gonna be 5 days, so I'm looking forward to it. It should be really good. I'm gonna be going to a few cool tracks. Gonna be going to Suzuka Circuit, Scuba Circuit, and Fuji Speedway. Gonna be running all 3 tracks this week. Weather looks pretty good for the most part, although the scuba day, last time I checked, it looked like it was gonna rain, but who knows if it's changed since then. I'll see, but either or, hopefully get at least most of the days good. So we'll see. But yeah, 3 track days, 3 different tracks, famous tracks with the R34 GT-R. It's about to be insane. Getting ready to board the train. Got my luggage now sitting right here. And yeah, waiting on my train. Should be here in about 10 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna jump on a train. Take this train all the way to Shinagawa. From Shinagawa, gonna jump on another train, the bullet train, all the way to Hamamatsu. And then in Hamamatsu is where I pick up my R34. Got to Space Auto, and there is my beautiful R34 GT-R. About to get rolling with this thing. Got a lot of fun, cool stuff going on for this week. A lot of tracking. We'll be hitting up some tracks, having some fun there, getting a lot of seat time with this thing, ripping it up, and it is going to be a good time. It's late now, but the journey's here. All these hours just to come out and knock out some business stuff and also get some good track time. So I am looking forward to hopping in this baby and getting rolling. You know, I absolutely love coming to Japan and driving my car. Every time I get to reconnect with this beauty, it is always super fun. This week will be great because I get to track this thing. It's gonna be getting pretty dirty. We're gonna be rolling around, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff, but oil change is done, car maintenance is done, new fresh tires on this thing, new fresh tires, everything. I mean, this thing is ready to go. I can't wait. We're gonna be hitting up Suzuka, Fuji, Scuba, all the famous circuits. Well, not all of them, but those 3. There's other famous ones here too as well in Japan, but we'll be hitting up those. I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be a good time. Opening up the garage in there we got some really cool stuff. I'll walk in there real quick and check out some stuff in a moment. Before I get rolling though, I gotta check out some cool stuff here. Slide in between these cars. Black GT-R that just rolled in here. 1999 V-Spec as well. The crazy thing is there's 315, the tires, all 4 corners on this thing. It's crazy. Yeah, 315. You can see it. See it for yourself right there. 315s on this thing. Absolutely nuts. That's cool. The thing is beautiful, very beautiful car. I always loved the black GTRs. They're nice. Before I got my Sonic Silver, I actually was interested in getting the black one, but then the Sonic Silver one popped up and I was like, you know what? I gotta get the Sonic Silver. But it was just like everything I could ever want. This thing is cool, very clean. V-Spec as well. I'll pop the hood real quick and check out what's under the hood of this thing. The motor definitely has chems, that's for sure. It sounds really good when I heard it before. Yeah, it's cool. Very interesting looking motor, black motor. Yeah, I mean, the person who had this before definitely modified this thing, but it sounds really good. I wonder what turbos are on it. It probably doesn't have stock turbos on it anymore, does it? Aftermarket, so maybe some HKS 2530s or something like that. Grady or something, who knows? All these beautiful cars here at Space Auto. Amazing vehicles. Anyone wanting to buy, let me know. Let me know. Oh yeah, this is the white V-Spec. So this is another 1999 car right here. White V-Spec for sale as well. This thing looks good. Single turbo, which is such a plus. It's a T78, right? T78 turbo or something like that? This thing is clean too. Very nice. Very nicely done. Whoever had this before took really good care of it. Even though it's pretty modified, they took really good care of it. It sounds good too when the thing cranks on. Really nice. It got the wonderful wheels on this thing. Recaro seats that can be changed to stock seats if you want. The steering wheel can be changed to a stock steering wheel if you want. The V-Spec. Doesn't have the badge on it right now. Some titanium exhaust. The thing looks good. Very nice. Very nicely put car. And you got just the rest of all the stuff here. I mean, it's just a JDM Candyland here. Midnight Purple R34 GTR for sale as well. Midnight Purple R35 GTR for sale as well. Other black GTR, black GTR, black or Pearl, Supra, some other GTRs back there, Bayside Blue, everything. R33 GTRs, you got Hakuska GTRs, you got Ken Marys, some Datsuns, and some other stuff here. And this beautiful, beautiful Porsche right here, a little dirty and dusty right now. A lot of beautiful stuff. That's an M-Spec right there. Right in front of this is Sonic Silver. It's an M-Spec, this beautiful V-Spec, Bayside Blue. This one got sold to Alec Monopoly. Beautiful Porsche Carrera right there. This thing is going to the US here pretty soon. That's my boys. And obviously a lot of other cool candy here. Always love coming to Space Auto. Space Auto has the best stuff. If anybody's interested in getting a car, just reach out to me and I can help you out. Hook you up with these guys over here, get you all set up, and the car of your dreams, if you want a JDM Classic, is here. And if it's not here, they can get it for sure. Let me help you. S201 Subi. All right, so GTR is warming up right now, about to hop in it and get rolling so I can get over to my hotel and get some rest tonight. Man, tomorrow's gonna be super, super fun. That's gonna be the next video. I'm gonna be at Suzuka Circuit, running that beautiful track. It's gonna be great, it's gonna be fun. My first time ever running it. I've only run it on the simulator, so hopefully my simulator laps actually translate to real life performance. We'll find out. There's not too many times where I've never ran a track in real life and then trained on the simulator and tried to go do it. Well, actually, you know what? I'll take that back. Every track I've run in Japan, that's how it was. I had to train on the simulator first before I even did it in real life, and it worked out. Like Scuba, actually it worked out really, really well, where I did a ton of simulator laps on Scuba, got here and did it in real life, and ended up running an amazing time for this car. So I plan on hopefully going faster if it doesn't rain on Wednesday when I run Scuba, but for right now, we're gonna make it work with whatever we can. But yeah, it's been fun. Finally here in Japan again. 7th trip. It's gonna be a really good one. I'm looking forward to it. Got my amazing R34 GTR. We're about to go have a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to enjoying this one again. So thanks for tuning in. This video could be over right now, or you might see some more fun stuff.